Yeah, David Dread of Steel Pulse, and I'm saying hail to Lion Voice because it's time that the lion have its voice, have its own story. Says I'm stepping out here. Hear me now. Yeah, the lion's voice. Raw.
Them reject I from school. And when I'm unpenetrated, all of the youths them that I know from them I when they going to these schools, what they would love to achieve in life, it's house, car, money, truck, bus, whatever. And the youth who resort to the mountains give I man everything I see. In and all them youth they will go to school and bust them brain and all them type of thing there. Them still out there in a Babylon. I never work for a man in a King Island.
Whoa.
I never get a paycheck from Babylon. Never. See? And I man utilize my creativity. See, because I have to go into myself now and say, you know something, my greatest trad right now, is to feed myself, And because the ancients used to teach I man about self-reliance, being there.
The year is 1892, and the land of Ethiopia has been experiencing 4 years of terrible famine and drought. They call it the Kikuken, or the evil days. At least 1/3 of the human population and 90% of the cattle have died. The hyenas have feasted on so many carcasses that they have become overweight and barely able to move. Just when the people could take no more of the evil days, a woman named Wasiro Yeshimabe is giving birth in a place called Erjersa Gora. This is her 9th attempt to bring forth new life. Her previous 8 attempts only resulted in death. Will this child live? Thankfully, a healthy baby boy is born. His first cries are drowned by thunder and lightning flashes across the night sky. The heavens open up and torrential rain starts to fall. Ethiopia's drought is over, and the baby boy is given the name Tafari, meaning one to be feared or respected. Lich Tafari's father, Ras Makunin, is a very important man in 1892 Ethiopia. Although he is overjoyed at the birth of his newborn son, he cannot spend much time with him. Ras Makunin is the governor of Harar and must get back to the famous walled city to deal with its affairs. Furthermore, he is the foreign minister of Ethiopia, and having traveled to different places in Europe, he is very aware of the material and military advances they have made and the looming threats they pose to his country. Ras Makunin knows that the majority of Ethiopians have no idea what is coming, and that he has to work that much harder to secure the realm. Lich Tafari would grow up to become the legendary emperor, Haile Selassie I. To understand his journey, we must first understand the Ethiopia that he was inheriting, and what it was like when he was born in 1892. Get your copy of Kwesi Bansu's book, Haile Selassie I, Ethiopia, Volume 1, The Rise of the Priestly Warrior Kings, and increase your knowledge about the history, politics, and culture of Ethiopia in 1892, and how it connects to the rest of African and world history at the time. Haile Selassie I, Ethiopia, Volume 1 is available for purchase at www.bookmanexpress.pub. Please visit for more information.
Them reject I from school. And when I'm unpenetrated, all of the youths them that I know from them I when they going to these schools, what they would love to achieve in life, it's house, car, money, truck, bus, whatever. And the youth who resort to the mountains give I man everything I see. In and all them youth they will go to school and bust them brain and all them type of thing there. Them still out there in a Babylon. I never work for a man in a King Island.
Whoa.
I never get a paycheck from Babylon. Never. See? And I man utilize my creativity. See, because I have to go into myself now and say, you know something, my greatest trad right now, is to feed myself, And because the ancients used to teach I man about self-reliance in the English. In I man take on the self-reliance thing, and start dealing with the farming at a tender age.
Okay, so how old when the I first really take farming serious? How old was the I? And give us the year too. Let's put some context. We have to set timeline on this thing now.
You know what I say right now, the farming thing coming at I man now from when I about 13, 14 years old.
Okay, so that is about 1960, 68, 69.
Yeah, 68, 69. I man
Okay.
and watching now, because guess what now? My father was a man who used to work for a company them called From in a Westmoreland. And my father, even for my birth paper, my father was a malaria technician.
Okay.
So as a youth, my father used to try that man now. Anyway, I go now with the company Land Rover, like a small truck.
Yes.
And here up now, I'm gonna show the I mistake now. How the farming really coming at I know. When my father go to run the test on the various mosquitoes, he used to carry as a youth. And I'm at the back of the truck with the donkey.
Okay.
And when I man go to the various swamps, I man have to walk with the donkey, hold the donkey rope, and walk, go out to the swamp them. And when I go out to the swamp, the mosquitoes swarm the donkey. And I have to use the net and catch the mosquitoes.
Okay.
And bring it to my father, because him now coming to the water in a family. See? And I man catch the mosquito them and put them in a little case and bring them back to him. And then him go run him tests and run him things. So guess what now? So going through them realms that's how I man going to the rice farming.
Okay. Swamp.
So I man father now teach I man how to drain the swamp, and that's how I man start to deal with the rice farming. So
Okay.
I used to plant a rice them called the Seeker.
Okay.
And the buffalo rice.
Okay.
And all of the bridges them can tell the I from Bongo Bashai, Profile, all them bridges can tell you say I man used to supply the dinghy them with the rice.
Okay.
I man used to come at the dinghy and come with the rice, come supply to the elders them from them time there. Yeah, man. See, so I man journey within the farming now, and then guess what now? Profile now was a key bridge into I man now when I man in the jungle, because when I man come out of the jungle, with the food, Profile is a man that was well known in that watch race,
Yes.
So when I man come out now, I man could have carried the food to the different marketplace, and Profile come and stand up with I and I. See it?
Everything work.
Yes.
Everything work.
Yeah. The magic start.
Wait, because you skip, you come out of jungle, here when you go in a jungle, man, I want to make the people them get the sip properly, because I tell the people that this is like a movie.
All right.
Get your snacks them, get
Yes.
your meditation. We're going
Yes,
up in the wissy
Yes,
jungle today. All
Well-
right. So to tell us about when the eye went into the jungle.
All right. So you see the jungle trad now? The jungle trad now, it was a virgin called Bill Lalai.
You see, people, as soon as the reasoning start get sweet, or the Wi-Fi one freeze and thing. Hold on, start again because the Wi-Fi chip
Yeah,
out.
man.
Go ahead.
Within the jungle trad now, we used to have Bill Lalai, seeing Ras Iqulah, seeing I J come after. I used to come after. Then you have Claggy Jed, you have Lame I, see it? Yeah, so you have 14 I and I you see in the Wissy jungle. See it? Then you have Skip, and then you have Jegge, see it? And you have Talai, see it?
Which jungle was this, or which forest?
I and I used to up in the Senton Hills one at a time, up in a place called Robbins Bay. And then I had into Putuzi in a Janzal area. Muta used to up in one place called Putuzi.
Okay, so because we interviewed Sister Yvonne Hope,
yes.
Queen Yvonne Hope, and she spoke about that time when they trotted up into the hills. So you see, everyone this is a family. We get
Yes, right.
verification from different sources and
Then-
things.
then-
So tell us in terms of this, was it crown land? Was it private land? Does the eye know these hills?
Them jungle land, them some land where I and I just go up on some crown land.
Okay.
And just seat it. Yeah, man. Because even that, even from Muta, Aishiwa, and then I mean just like a baby them time,
Yes, Aishi, big up Aishi.
I say, Aishiwa, man, just see.
Yeah, man.
So the whole of I and I man used to live in that. So I and I used to trad from different west now. So we spend some time all at Muta in the jungle. Then we left now. We go Black River, among some other bridges named Briggs that are the mayor from Black River. His son used to be a whiskey jungle lion also. See?
This is culture sound, a Rastaman sound, positive sound.
Culture sound system with DJ Culture Fire TG.
And now you're in tune to the culture sound, Rasta sound.
Culture sound because of DJ Culture Fire TG.
And I help coming from the true living eyes, Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, who created Zion and earth. He shall not suffer and I foot to be moved. I hold, he that keepeth Ethiopia shall neither slumber nor sleep. Well, youths in the streets right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. One bad police right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. No justice, no peace right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. The fire now cease right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. The youths them rise against brutality, man a kill another man for your salary. Them train them at the shooting gallery, black and loot, you might lose all your family. Them defend white supremacy, so them see the African as them enemy.
Yeah, I'm gonna say culture sound
like this for centuries, them sick mentally. That's why we have you out in the streets right now. Riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. One bad police right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. No justice, no peace right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. The fire now cease right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. Them say them tired of the looting, I and I tired of them shooting. Ku Klux Klan they recruiting, then them dress up in a blue suit and they're brutalizing our youths. Then no court, they just execute them till the people start learn the truth. And the black youths go strap on them Gideon boot and them out in the streets right now. Riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. One bad police right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. No justice, no peace right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down. The fire now cease right now, riots in your town now, Babylon them burning down.
Now
When the
this is
leaders
the
of the world
original
are feeling their
sound
responsibility to
sound.
lead the youth them to a brighter future. Well, I and I hear the conquering line of the tribe of Judah, Earth's rightful ruler. I just play Ras Tafari crowd, unconquerable. We come to tell them about Babylon, they're falling down.
Alright, in a culture sound, you owe me a million, but give
We
it
come
down.
to tell them about the way Ras Tafari crowd, unconquerable. We come to tell them about Babylon, they're falling down. Tafari is uncle yo. Me come to tell them about Holy Palace intrigue, infighting between Solomon seed. Well, Empress tied to want her family to lead. Well, King Michael wants his son to lead, but King Michael now watch the orphan married to him niece, who get up every day and a study and a read. He work and he pray every day. He achieve them say you're the leader, every nation leader just.